What is up, Carol here with Teamile. What I want to show you today is how you can auto-post YouTube videos to WordPress. Alright, so this is gonna be real simple actually. So what you need is the Feedzy RSS plugin. It's a free plugin, very easy to use, and it's gonna do exactly what we want to achieve today. So pretty simple, just like with any other plugin, just go into plugins, add new, in here look for Feedzy. It's this one, just install, activate it. I already have it active here. So if you go to Feedzy section in the sidebar, this is where all the fun starts. So what we want to do is import individual videos and publish them as blog posts. By the way, if you want to do something else, maybe display a list of all the videos from a given channel on your site, then we've created a separate video for that, so just check it out. But what we are going to be doing today is importing individual videos and publishing them as individual blog posts. So how to do it? Just go into import posts, start new import, import name, let's call it my YouTube, and this is the main part that we need. We need a valid RSS feed source for the YouTube videos. So how to get it? Well, there are a couple of steps. So first off, just go to a channel that you want to import. For example, let's use Teamile's channel. Okay, this is it, and what you want to do is just view source. So what we need from here is the channel ID, and the easiest way to find it is just to search for channel and slash, and we should find the ID somewhere on the list. Yeah, this is it. This is this sequence of letters and numbers. So let's just grab it, let's put it to the side. And with that, once we have the channel ID, we can construct the correct feed address of the channel's videos. So all you do is just grab an URL like this one and just put the channel ID at the end of it. So I'm gonna grab all that, I'm gonna go back to my site and just include it here. Yeah, Feedzy is gonna let you know that the channel address is correct. It found 15 items already, so cool, this is good. Let's move on to the next step. So Feedzy allows you to create some filters if you need them. For example, maybe you don't want to import all the videos from the channel. Maybe you want to import just videos that have, for example, WordPress in the title of the video, then you can do that. So Feedzy is going to allow you to filter all the results based on the keywords, and you can create filters based on a number of parameters of the video. So I'm here using the pro version of this plugin. So if you are on the free version, you can only use the title, but if you are using the pro version as I am, you can use all of those as well. So just for the demo purposes, I'm not going to use any filters. I want all the videos. Next step, map content, and this is where you get to set what you want to do with the feed items. In our case, what you want to do with the videos. So I want to save them as a post. Feedzy Pro version allows me to assign categories automatically based on the keywords, but alternatively, of course, I can pick the category myself. Post status, yeah, this is up to you. This is whether you want the imported content to be published right away or just saved as draft. I'm gonna go for publish. Post title, so this is fun because this is where you can customize, the title of the blog post that's gonna be coming from the YouTube feed. So maybe I'll add something like new video. You can also adjust the post date. It says here that you can leave it blank if you're unsure about what you want to place here. So I'm gonna do that. And then for the main content, this is where you get to decide what you want to show in the body section of the post. So you've seen already with post title that Feedzy has a number of those magic tags that you can use inside any of those fields. So for example, in here, the item content means that the content of the blog post is gonna be the exact content found in the RSS item, meaning it's gonna be the video in our case. We can also choose to add the URL, maybe categories if there are any categories in the RSS item, and so on. For YouTube videos, the featured image would be a difficult one to create, so let's just remove that and let's move on to the next step. So in here, this is great because we can choose how many items we want to import per run, per each time that this fetching mechanism is going to be run. So 10 is a good number, a good default number, but you can adjust it based on how many videos the channel that you're showcasing is publishing every day, but I think 10 is good. And also you get to choose whether you want to run this schedule every hour, every day, maybe twice a day, and so on. If you are on the free version of Feedzy, you can only select once daily, which is still more than enough, I think. So yeah, it also has a setting for a fallback featured image. If you want to use that, then in advanced, there's a great feature that allows you to remove duplicates, if there are any. So the way that this whole thing works is that every time, in my case, once every hour, the workflow will fetch 10 items, 10 newest videos, meaning. And of course, not all of them are gonna be new videos. I mean, some of them might have been processed already before. So this feature allows us to not publish duplicate content, basically. It works based on the title, the address of the item. So this plugin is gonna filter those on its own. Yeah, I think we are pretty much done in here. Nothing else is needed. So let's just save and activate importing. Let's run it now. It says that it runs successfully. And yeah, we've imported 10 items. Nice, so we have some videos imported. Let's maybe see one of them, maybe this one. And yeah, if we view the contents of this blog post, you can see that the video has been imported. It's actually embedded in the body of the blog post, which is great. We have the title that comes directly from the video title and also with our small added info before the headline. Of course, you can customize the way this looks. So all you do is go back to your workflow, and in the map content section, this is what this section right here is for. So you can basically add other elements in here. So for instance, you can use any of those, as I said before, but also you can use custom content, custom elements, just to make the content look more interesting maybe. But let's check one more thing. So remember that we have this feature here activated to remove duplicates, to not fetch them. So let's test this out. Let's go back to this. Let's run the workflow. Nothing imported. Yeah. So what actually happened is that the plugin in this round found 10 items, but 10 of them were duplicates. So nothing got imported. And this is exactly what we want. Yeah, so that is pretty much it. This is how you import videos as blog posts and publish them on WordPress. So go check out Feedzy. The free version is available in the plugin directory. If you need more features like unlimited imports, more filters, and also other features that will make your imports even more customized, then check out the pro version. You can get the pro version from the official website of the plugin. But for now, that is it. Let me know what you think about this feature. Don't forget to like, subscribe. There's a lot more content coming up, and see you next time.